Hi guys and girls, today we are going to explain P0020B camshaft position actuator circuit bank 2, and we're going to discuss symptoms, causes, and possible solutions. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, enough with that. Firstly, let's start with what does that mean? This diagnostic trouble code, DTC, is a generic powertrain code, which means that it applies to OBD2 equipped vehicles, including but not limited to Toyota, VW, Ford, Dodge, Honda, Chevrolet, Hyundai, Audi, Acura, etc. A P0020 code refers to the VVT variable valve timing, or VCT variable camshaft timing components, and the car's PCM powertrain control module, or ECM engine control module. VVT is a technology used in the engine to allow it to get greater power or efficiency at different running points. That consists of an oil control valve, OCV, also called a solenoid valve, and other components. Basically, the check engine light and associated P0020 trouble code means that the voltage in the circuit has fallen below a set limit for a specific amount of time, varies by make, model, engine. Bank 2 is the side of the engine that doesn't contain cylinder 101. Note, this DTC is nearly identical to P0010. Symptoms may include check engine light illuminated, malfunction indicator lamp, rough running. Other symptoms may also be present. A code P0020 may mean that one or more of the following has happened. Faulty oil control valve, OCV. Open or short in the VVT-VCT circuit. Open or short in the OCV or solenoid valve. Damaged computer PCM. Possible solutions. Recommended troubleshooting and repair steps are: carefully inspect the Bank 2 VVT-VCT system circuit wiring and connectors. Repair as required with a warm engine. Test the operation of the OCV. Replace or repair as needed. Hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.